Hey, this is Satej Shah and Chinmay Mahesh here. We found that it was very difficult to solve math problems and there was no easy way to plot 3D graphs on a mobile device. So we created an easy-to-use calculator application on Android Studio. Here's the application. There's a search bar at the top where you input the problem you want to solve and then a Go button to solve it. Let me show you some examples. We're first going to solve x minus 5 plus 6. Now we're going to solve x squared minus 1. Now let's try another one. X squared plus 1. So first we're going to factorize x squared minus 2x minus 15. Next, let's factorize 12y squared minus 18y minus 2y plus 3. Next, we're going to plot secant of x over 25. Now we're going to plot in 3D. Let's plot sine of 0.5 times x squared plus y squared over 10. Now let's plot x squared plus y minus the cube root of x squared minus 1. Now let's integrate 3x minus 2 over x to the 1/2. Now let's integrate and plot 2 times sine of x times cosine of x. Now let's differentiate x squared plus 5x minus 3 over 3x to the 1/2.
The backend is a REST API running on Heroku, which accepts arbitrary questions as the argument. So this is the URL of the API, which is what the app calls. It just sends a GET request along with the question. So for example, if I ask it to integrate and plot x squared minus 1, it sends that request to the server, and what the server does is it returns the expression which it extracted from the question. So as you can see that x squared minus 1 is the expression, and it's converted it into a format which is suitable for the parser, and it returns the plot. This is actually the base 64 encoded image of the graph of the expression, so that it'll actually show the graph of x squared minus 1, and this is a solution in LaTeX format, which is what is parsed by the app over in the API call done method. So it gets the solution and it just puts that into formula 2, which is just this math view over here. So MathView is a library which we're using which parses LaTeX, and it's able to show it in the Android app.
And that is our app. We hope you enjoyed it.